Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G05, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now for this, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. Now we do need to take off the case of the device. There we go. And the tray is located on the top left side of the phone, right over here. You want to push the pin in. There we go. And once you pull it out, you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. So I'm going to start off with the SD card. You replace it on the tray like so. Now it looks like there is a little bit of a retention here. Or no. Yeah, there is. So you can see once you clip it in all the way, it isn't falling out. Now let's grab our SIM card as well. This one also has a little bit of tension, so again, it's not falling out, as you can see. Now if the card is falling out for you, that means that you haven't pushed it in all the way. Additionally, the cards on the tray shouldn't be protruding from it. Now insert it back into your device. What is that? Oh, there we go. So we're going to pop it back into our device and it should start working right away. There we go. So I need to confirm my SIM card pin. This will unlock the SIM card, and we also have a notification about SD card, no, not here, right here, SD card being inserted. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.